Punta Cana has no shortage of all-inclusives, but every once in a while, one actually stands out. Lopesan Costa Bavaro is one of them. Today, I'm taking you inside the pools, the beach, the dining, the rooms, all of it. Let's take a look around. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Located in the heart of Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, Lopesan Costa Bavaro is sitting on one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline in the Caribbean. And as you pull up to this property, the first thing you'll notice is just how grand it feels. Now, when I filmed this video, as you can see in the background, there was significant construction happening right next door. Those are 3 brand new Lopesan resorts in the works: Caoba Lagoon, Serenity Bay, and Splash Cove, which have since opened since filming this. So just keep that in mind as you watch. What you're seeing is Lopesan Costa Bavaro only, and that construction noise should no longer be part of the current experience. As we walk into the lobby, you'll notice this is essentially the heart of this resort where everything connects. From here, the property fans out in 3 directions toward the beach, with restaurants, bars, and pools along each path. You'll also find the lobby bar right there, convenient spot to grab a drink while you're getting your bearings, and then right here is called the Valley. This is an American food buffet serving up comfort classics like gourmet burgers and casual fare, but what makes it really unique is that this is open 24 hours a day, no matter whether you need a late night bite or a quick meal between activities. It's a great option with no reservations and no formal dress code. Next up is El Charro, the resort's Mexican a la carte restaurant, open for dinner. The menu covers the classics: tacos, enchiladas, ceviche, and a full tequila bar inside the restaurant. The atmosphere is lively and colorful and actually gains its inspiration from a Mexican house or Mexican casa. But this is a solid dinner option if you're looking to mix things up from the buffet. Now, we are making our way toward the middle of the resort, and this is where you'll find most of the a la carte dining options. It's a great, convenient location. First up is Gondola, the resort's Italian restaurant, open for dinner only. The menu focuses on Italian classics, thinking fresh pasta, oven-baked pizza. You'll see the pizza ovens in the background, creamy risottos in an intimate sit-down setting. It's one of the more popular restaurants on property. Right next to Gondola, you'll find Inari, the resort's Asian restaurant, and honestly, one of the most talked about dining experiences on property. The menu covers sushi, sashimi, tempura, and ramen, but the real draw is the teppanyaki tables where the chefs cook right in front of you. It's a great option for families and couples alike. Also open for dinner only. Walking through the property, the grounds are one of the things that genuinely stand out at Lopesan. You've got lush tropical gardens, clusters of coconut palms, and water features woven throughout the pathways, connecting all the different areas of the resort. The fountains and greenery, which I love these fountains here, give the whole property a calm, polished feel as you move from one area to the next. And guests consistently note how clean and well-maintained the entire property is. Now, I am walking toward the Unique restaurant here at Lopesan, and the Unique by Lopesan area is the resort's premium tier. Think of it like club level, so it's a step up from this standard all-inclusive experience. Unique guests get their own dedicated check-in, reserved sections in the restaurants, an exclusive pool, a private beach club with waiter service and butler service throughout their stay. If you're looking for a more elevated, lower-key experience within the same resort, this is the category worth looking at. And here is a quick walk through the main buffet, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a variety of international and local options. And right next to the buffet is Mareas, the Mediterranean restaurant. The focus here is fresh fish and seafood, and it's one of the most well-reviewed resorts on property in a more intimate, smaller setting. Mareas is actually located on the 2nd level of the resort, which gives you a nice elevated view of the property. And from up here, you can really appreciate the scale of the grounds. You're looking out over the main pool area, the lush gardens, and the pathways that connect everything down to the beach. It's a great setting for a dinner out. And just next to Mareas is El Asador, the adults-only steakhouse open to guests 18 and up. It's consistently one of the most talked about restaurants on property, featuring premium cuts grilled over charcoal, thinking ribeye, churrasco, and tomahawk pork chop in a sleek, intimate setting with both indoor and patio seating for dinner only. So beyond the main pool, which I'll cover in a moment, the property has 6 freshwater pools in total. And what's nice about Lopesan is that not every pool feels the same. Some of these smaller pools, which you'll see in a moment, are tucked into quieter corners of the resort, which gives you some options depending on the vibe that you're looking for. So for example, here is the splash pad area for younger kids, a low-key water play spot that keeps those little ones entertained while staying close to the pool area. So just beyond that, there are 2 pools with day beds lining the edges, a quieter setup if you're looking to relax away from the main pool crowd. And speaking of the main pool, this is it. It's the social hub of the resort. You've got plenty of sun loungers and Bali beds spread throughout, pool bars with waiter service, and sunken lounge chairs right in the water. It's a lively space during the day with music and activities, and despite the size of the resort, guests consistently say it never feels overcrowded. Pools close at 6 p.m., so plan your day accordingly. Following the walkway down from the main pool, you'll hit Bavaro Beach, and this is what Lopesan is sitting on. Bavaro Beach is UNESCO classified as one of the top 10 beaches in the world, with white sand, warm turquoise water, and a natural coral reef barrier just offshore that keeps the waves consistently calm, making it ideal for swimming. The beach is well set up with sun loungers, and the infinity pool actually sits at 2 levels, the upper level by the hotel and a lower level that connects directly to the beach. So the transition from pool to sand is seamless. There are also beach bars and 2 beach clubs on property, including an exclusive section reserved for Unique by Lopesan guests. Now here is a better view of that lower level pool that I mentioned, and right alongside it is the Goldfish Beach Club, the resort's main beach club open to all guests. It's a buffet-style lunch spot right on Bavaro Beach with hammocks, sun loungers, cocktails, and ocean views. A solid option if you want to eat without heading back up to the main restaurants. Here's a look at the interior hallways of the buildings, open-air corridors with views of the gardens and water features below. It gives the whole property an airy, tropical feel, even just getting to your room. And speaking of rooms, I have a full dedicated room tour for Lopesan Costa Bavaro, and I'll link that video right here so you can see exactly what's inside. But for now, here's just a quick peek. And if you're finding this video helpful and enjoyable, please go ahead and subscribe. I cover resorts like this one regularly so you can make a more informed decision before you book. Now, this is a view of the adults-only pool. It's 18 and up and similar in feel to the smaller, quieter pools that you saw earlier, but it's tucked into the adults-only section of the resort, so the vibe is noticeably calmer. Now, back in the lobby area, you will find some shopping, but have no fear, there is way more shopping than just that. So I'll get to that in a moment. Just off the lobby is the Adults Only Lounge, a dedicated space for guests in the Adults Only section with a quieter, more relaxed atmosphere separate from the main common areas. And then there's the Unique by Lopesan Lounge, a step above that. This is the private reception and lounge exclusively for unique guests with priority check-in and check-out, premium beverages, and a noticeably more elevated level of service from the moment you arrive. Now, this is the walkway to the Boulevard, essentially the resort's own entertainment district. It covers over 215,000 square feet and has just about everything you'd need after dark or on a rainy day. You've got a casino, a theater with nightly shows, a nightclub, bowling, an arcade, the water park, a sports bar, the spa, a large gym, a coffee shop, ice cream parlor, and more shopping. It's a big part of what separates Lopesan from a lot of other all-inclusives in Punta Cana. There's genuinely a lot to do here beyond the pool and beach. And right here on the boulevard is Bavaro Coffee, the resort's coffee shop. It's a proper cafe with espresso drinks, cappuccinos, lattes, fresh juices, pastries, and snacks, all included in your all-inclusive package. It's open from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m., so it covers everything from your morning cup to a late-night wind down. Consistently one of the most well-reviewed and usually most popular and busy spots on property. This just happened to be filmed at lunchtime. Also located on the boulevard, a pharmacy and on-site medical services. Good to know if you need basic medications, a sunscreen, or anything you may have forgotten to pack. Having a doctor available on property is a convenience that most resorts offer, so worth mentioning for families traveling with kids. Also on the boulevard is a large duty-free shopping store, one of the bigger ones you'll find at an all-inclusive in Punta Cana. Good spot to pick up liquor, cigars, jewelry, souvenirs, and local products before you head home. And here is Meeting Point. This is the excursion meeting point and excursion desk to book any off-site tours and activities during your stay. Punta Cana has no shortage of options, from cenotes and zip lines to catamaran trips and cultural experiences. I do have my affiliate Viator link down in the description below if you want to plan ahead and book your excursions right now. By doing so, you help support my small channel and business, and I appreciate you more than you even know. And there's a lot more shopping throughout the boulevard: boutiques, clothing, accessories, jewelry, and more. It's a full shopping promenade, so if you're looking to browse between activities or pick up gifts, there's plenty to explore. And tucked into the boulevard is a cigar lounge, a great spot to grab a premium Dominican cigar and wind down. The Dominican Republic is well known for its cigars, so if that's your thing, it's definitely worth a stop. I wasn't able to get inside for footage, but right here is the English Pub, a full bar with a wide selection of national and international beers, and it's included in your all-inclusive package. Now, right next to the pub is the bowling alley and arcade. Both are extra charge, not included in the all-inclusive, but fun for a rainy day. And here is Splash Island, the resort's water park with multiple slides for all ages, and a brand new, much larger water park is currently under construction right next door as part of the Lopesan expansion, so that's something to look forward to. And very close to the water park is Iceberg Ice Cream Parlor, included in your all-inclusive, a solid stop after the water park or just an afternoon sweet treat. Next up is Yolo Fast Food. I wasn't able to get inside for footage, but it's an a la carte quick service restaurant serving burgers, salads, burritos, and tacos. It's open 24 hours and included in your all-inclusive. And also on the boulevard is La Boheme, the resort's French restaurant. The menu focuses on French classics, foie gras, duck confit, French onion soup, cheese fondue, and refined desserts. It's one of the more upscale dining experiences on property and consistently one of the most well-reviewed restaurants at Lopesan. Dinner only, and there is a dress code here. And here is Baco, the resort's wine cellar and bar, carrying wines from North and South America and Europe. For most guests, it's an additional charge, but if you're a Unique by Lopesan guest, you will receive one free wine tasting here. They also offer a delivery service, so you can order a bottle directly to your dinner table. And right here is the sports bar, over 5,400 square feet with multiple screens broadcasting major sporting events and international leagues. And this is the theater, and it's a legit fully indoor theater with stadium seating for up to 790 guests. Professional stage productions run nightly with dancers, singers, full themed shows. It's a step above what you would typically find at an all-inclusive. Evening shows are adults only, so families with younger kids will want to check the separate kids entertainment program. And there's even more shopping as you continue through the boulevard. Clothing, accessories, jewelry, brand name stores. It's a full retail promenade, so there's no shortage of options if you're looking to spend some time browsing or pick up something before you head home. And right here on the boulevard is the casino, one of the largest on Bavaro Beach at nearly 13,000 square feet. Slots are open during the day, and then the table games, blackjack, roulette, poker, they open in the evening, and the entire casino stays open until 3 a.m. Obviously not included in the all-inclusive, so bring some extra spending money if this is on your list. And another option here, as if there isn't enough to do at this resort, but you have axe throwing and an escape room, two activities you don't typically find at an all-inclusive resort. Both are an extra charge, but a fun option if you're looking to mix up your day or evening. The Titan Gym Bavaro is one of the better resort gyms you'll find in Punta Cana, nearly 9,000 square feet with hammer strength equipment, free weights, and so many cardio machines. It's included in your all-inclusive and consistently gets high marks from guests for being well-maintained and spacious, as you can see. One thing to note, sneakers are required in order to use the gym. Coming up is the spa, but first, here is the beauty salon, a full-service shop for hair, nails, and beauty treatments available at an additional charge. And this is the Om Spa by Lopesan, one of the standout features on the Boulevard. It spans nearly 31,000 square feet with 31 treatment rooms, a hydrotherapy circuit, relaxation areas, and outdoor garden spaces. All treatments are at an extra charge, but if you're booking a premium room category, 45 minutes in the hydrotherapy circuit is complimentary. Minimum age for the hydrotherapy area is 18. And that's a look at Lopesan Costa Bavaro, a resort that truly has something for everyone, whether you're traveling with family, as a couple, or looking for that elevated, unique by Lopesan experience. If you want to see exactly what the rooms look like before you book, I have a full dedicated room tour linked right here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I cover resorts like this one regularly, so you can make a more informed decision before you travel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.